Hi guys, Ben Woods here. We're in Grafog Street in Port Tennant today. We've got a stunning 3-bedroom, newly renovated property. Great for first time buying. Let's take a look inside. So we've got a great size living dining room here. What's really good about this property is it's been renovated to a high standard. It's not been renovated just to sell on, it's been renovated for good quality living. What's great about this property is there is nothing to do in here. We've got new kitchen, new bathroom, new wiring, new central heating system, new insulation, new rendering outside. There is nothing to do in here. Just move in, put the kettle on. If you'd like to know a bit more about this property, drop me a message, give us a call. I'd love to show you around.